Well, crew, I had so much fun with a Savage. It'd be rude not to, wouldn't it? Let's do a Losi 8 video. Let's get this blasting around. I absolutely love this buggy. This is very, very high end, this one. Expensive parts, but look at it. I did the body shell, just thought I'd give it a quick lick of paint, and I've shown this before, but look at the state of my boot. I went bottle digging the other day, since we're going to be throwing some metal detecting and that in there. This is a war grade bottle stopper, and the reason I know it's war grade, because somewhere it will say on it, it's a vulcanite stopper, but this little cutout here, this little dip, that was done to save the vulcanite so they could make more stoppers. So there you go. But yes, I was bottle digging, I got my bag and my spade, everything's a mess in there. But right, Losi 8 time.
Fresh.
Can't even get the thing to start. It will start, you. Been a right pain. I managed to get it sort of running and then not. Oh. Right. It likes me now. I had a little bit of heat in the engine, by the way, so don't worry about that. I've been faffing a little while, about 5 minutes or so. Oh, yeah, that's what it was doing before. Losi 8, stop not being great. Ow, just hit me thumb on the, what did I do that for? I ate that. Have I tightened up the glow plug? Hang on a minute. Did I tighten that back up? No. No. I probably ate my thumb now. Remove that rock. That's better, I think. Oh. Yeah, that's a bit better. I've got brakes here. That's more like it. Well, let's go. So we had the Savage out earlier, and I bet I've just stood in dog poo or something. Now we've got this thing. It's definitely faster. Woo! Woo! Screaming! There's a little track over here, let's get it over there. Let's throw that glow stick over there. Glow stick! Woo! Magical glow stick! No one's coming, is there? A bit of a better track here, let's get it ripping down here, I see it. Right, get it coming back. Come on, Losi 8 the Great, I love this buggy. It's quick. It's got an LRP in it. 28. That's ripping faster than that Savage. I know the Savage is a bigger truck, but if it's a 4.6. I don't know what this is actually. I don't know what horsepower this one is actually, so I'm not going to shut up now. Woo! Look at this. Still a bit Richie Rich, I think, as well. Oh, this is amazing. Let's just go. Two wheelie. Oh! Oh, this is ripping! Oh no! Look at the smoke! Oh, it's well rich. You're going to have to sort that out. Oh, a big crash. Woohoo! Look at his high speed, a little turn. Just a little bit. Still spitty. Last time I had it out, I got a stone in the clutch bell and shattered it. And they're not cheap, the clutch bells for these, and here's me driving it with no shell on. But it's just too much fun. Back on its wheels, come on then. Oh, face full of stones. This is a proper racer, this. Ain't even playing. Oh no! No! Flippity flip! I'm gonna get the body shell back on, really. What a crazy device! Oh no, we're gonna get the body shell back on. What a beast! Do you know what? It's got to be my favourite buggy. Like I said, expensive parts. These LRP engines ain't cheap. Very much doubt if it's even running properly, that engine. Don't even know. It's a new one. I've only I've run this once or twice. I did do some running in the back garden. I put a few tanks in it in the back garden on idle, and then just went straight out with it and just sent it. What a thing, RC heads. Anyway, tomorrow hopefully doing some metal detectorizing. Gonna go down the beach, so look forward to that. And what else did I promise? I've got VS, so it's the VS Nitro versus VS Electric. So let's do that as well, because I've got some like opinions on electric and nitro, and the more I'm using these are making me chuckle so much more. I am just enjoying them so much more, and my god, why do I just get the feeling that just these old ones are stronger than all this new stuff? I don't know, but these electrics, you just have a habit of plugging them in, send them off a big ramp, and boom, instant breakages. You get 10 minutes or whatever out of them, and then they're flattened. Well, they are with me anyway. But these, I'm getting some good run time and having a good giggle. What a beast! We'll get out running in a minute. Let's have a little break and get the body shell back on and give you some more ripping action with this crazy thing. Just leaned out the high end just slightly. Cooled down a bit now. This just wants to go, this does. Oh, it is quick, you know, it is a lot faster than the Savage. Oh, run away, run away, run away, run away, run away, run away every day. Good job it's bloody sat there, isn't it? Oh my god, what's happened there? That's run away. Gotta get the flips out. Oh dear. Stop. 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 Wrong side. Stop. Run away, run away. Why did it do that? For absolutely no reason. Got power there. Why did you run away? Did you actually see that? It's a good job this bank's here. Oh my god, that was run away. Do I dare start it again? That stone's in my shoe. Run away, just to run away. I don't get it though, because I don't get why it's done that. It's somehow just lost signal all of a sudden. Definitely got plenty of battery life. That's fully charged. The light's a LiPo in that. Maybe that's the problem, because it's a LiPo in that. Again, LiPos. Storing them in tins and things like that. Nickel metal hydrides and that, they're so much safer, aren't they? You can leave them in your loft for like, I know people that have for like 10 years and they don't even have any problems with them. LiPos are just, I mean, are they a bit much or something? I don't know. Do I dare start this again? Should we start it again? Let's start it again, go on. Well, let's be honest now, that was funny. Made me laugh. Right, what's it gonna do? Don't you dare. I think I'm gonna go that way with it. Try and keep it pointing that way. Oh dear, hit the fence then. It's like stuff you, mate. I love it. Trusted. Let's take it up this way, we'll keep it pointing that way. It's weird, I took it over there, didn't I? And it just lost signal. I don't know. Don't do it again. In fact, do it again for the peeps, straight into that fence. I didn't take it too far now. Oops. Yeah, I'm a bit nervous now. Don't you dare. Don't run away. No, run away. Don't do it. Don't run away. You can run away that way. Don't run away that way. It does go back on its wheels a lot. Don't you dare. Still like the long grass. Why did you run away, you silly buggy? Roundy, 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 round it goes. Scatty, what a mad buggy. You noticed I'm keeping it close now. Let's set a dog off. Oh, you. Oh, nearly back on its wheels. Woo. Little bunny hops through the grass. Don't run away. Run away that way. You little buggy, you. Still a bit spitty, and I think it's on the wrong fuel, you know. It's only on 20%, so. One more spinny thing. Yeah, I think it wants like 30% fuel. Run away again nearly. Yeah, it's something not right. It's kind of stopped again. Summer, it's not quite getting signal very well. One more spinny thing and I'm off. Well, I'll see you on the next video after spinny thing. That's cool. Right, I'll probably see you tomorrow because I'm out metal detecting, so I'll see you soon, pigs. Take care. You are a very, very naughty, bad buggy. Naughty you. Don't ever do it again.